Our first used aircraft, which is from another manufacturer, was sold through ATR. And then we were able to introduce the first ATR, which was the serial number 035, in December 1990. And then we start a really deep relation with ATR, a very stable relationship, even though we have to pass to that cyclical economical downturns in Brazil, but we were able to face every problem, every difficult situation, and I think the ability of ATR of being kind of cross-cultural capability of understanding what was going on in Brazil, having a good understanding of the problem and helping us assessing, and that's what make feasible now to have this 30 aircraft. And I think the ATR is a great product. It's one product that one aircraft that allow us to reach the 7th seat market, which is a medium or small markets that we are able to assess. We don't need the large narrow bodies. So with the similar economics of the competitors of per seat per kilometer. So this ability to deliver this 7th seat cost-effective aircraft and being able to operate in shorter runways, which is the reality of Brazil. There's a huge homework to do in terms of infrastructure, but nowadays there's huge limitations, make this aircraft perfect for that environmental and really the machine that we can count to our growth. I would say we serve 80 cities in Brazil. There is no other airline in Latin America that serves such a huge network. That's what makes us the bigger airline, regional airline in Latin America. Looking deeply in Brazil, I can say that we have 72% of the whole market share of the regional airline. In terms of all flights, we represent 3% of ASK. 12% of all operations in Brazil are performed by ourselves. So it's a lot of. It's big numbers that challenge us every day in operational terms, in commercial terms. Airline business is always competitive and complex, but this is our passion. Operating in Amazon, in Fernando de Noronha Island, where this greener spirit in Brazil is growing year after year, and the ability of this aircraft of being friendly in this makes it even a marketing tool for us. The client, I think, that will demand this. It's something that is coming naturally from the clients, and we can deliver through this aircraft. We have 75% of our traffic coming from the business traffic, and the business traffic is always demanding. So when you announce that this is a greener aircraft, we are a greener company, it's helping us a lot. It's a very challenging marriage that we're going to have. I mean, we already have this marriage when we bought these aircraft. We have to live for a long-lasting relation in terms of the aircraft itself. But now going further in terms of maintenance and parts and supply, a very close relation, understanding the Brazilian environmental that we a lot of times have to reach distant areas, remote areas, will be a challenge for we both. But I believe that we're going to reach that standard and going to improve one step further our operation and reliability.